what is this?
Rabbit.
Rabbit?
Two rabbits.
Two rabbits?
Huh.
मेरान कहाँ जा रहे हैं? बस ट्रैक्टर से कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
दबाओ उसको, छोड़ो। चलो चलो, कार ड्राइविंग जैसा है, आ जाओ। वाला ब्रेक। हाँ।
गोगी क्या चला रहे हो? ओह माय गॉड! Setup which my husband got this done, and look at it in the morning also, it looks so lovely. Miran is not ready to move at all. वो गिर जाएगा. Miran, get down बेटा and fall down बेटा. Hi again. So this is 14th of August, our third stay here, and I wanted to show you this property. Matlab, yeah, this really needs a full coverage. I mean, this property is so beautiful, you guys, and you have to see how it looks. Miran and Rishabh are enjoying here, having their cakes, yesterday's cakes. I will show you what exactly this property looks like, and it's absolutely. So we are staying there, and now can you see this? This was the entire setup, yesterday's birthday, and यहाँ पे आपको बास्केटबॉल खेल सकते हो, बैडमिंटन खेल सकते हो, this, and रात में you had bonfire. Also you can have barbecue done from your side, and this is the property. ये एक और stay है, यहाँ पे हमारे friends रह रहे हैं, so यहाँ पे वो रह रहे हैं, and this, look at this, full एंड यार ये प्रॉपर्टी इतनी ब्यूटीफुल है, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें इन्होंने दी है जो कि बहुत अच्छी है. सो वी हैव दिस कॉफ़ी एरिया, वी कैन हैव कॉफ़ी हियर और टी. दे विल गेट अस वन नाउ एंड आई विल वॉक यू थ्रू माय प्लेस. So this is the place where they serve you all the food and coffee just next to your stay. So that is very cool about it. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा ये चीज़, क्योंकि आपको कहीं चल के नहीं जाना है दूर, और आपको धूप भी नहीं लगेगी. वैसे मौसम बैंगलोर का बहुत ही अच्छा है. So this is in Tumkur, just 2.5 hours from Bangalore. And can you hear peacock का voice? कल peacock, rabbit, you can see some of the animals here. ये साइकिल देते हैं आपको so that you can just have a round of this entire property. And this is the jungle kind of. I mean, full greenery. You feel so much peace here. I mean, this is seriously a peaceful place, I would say. आपको कहीं वेकेशन पे जाना है, just शांति से, you want to enjoy your life and you want to enjoy everything. So I'll just do this, and यहाँ पे आपको ऐसे you can swing. And the very cute part about this is, what Miran is enjoying the most is this part. He keeps on he keeps on washing his hands and legs here. और ये हमारा मिरान का पैंट लटका हुआ है जो कि बहुत ही ख़राब लग रहा है, बट ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. ये है स्टे. एंड ये आप यहाँ पे अपने बालकनी में भी कॉफ़ी एंड टी ले सकते हो, बट देन वी प्रेफर टू सिट हियर. ऑल्सो मैं रूम टूर डाल दूँगी. ऋषभ इज़ ओनली ईटिंग केक. आई गेस सारा केक इसने ही खाया होगा. नहीं, वैसे मैंने बहुत खाया है. ऋषभ
आज सुबह से तो आई हैव नॉट लेफ्ट.
सी,
शुगर रश
हो गया. एंड कैन यू हियर पीकॉक का वॉइस? दिस इज सो नाइस. फुल सिटी से दूर शांति. This is all about this place, and the little pond they have created. साइकिल तो दिखा दिया आपको. कल हमने ट्रैक्टर राइड भी ली थी यहाँ की. So what exactly is a tractor ride? ये आपको ट्रैक्टर देते हैं, एक छोटू सी क्यूट सी, आप उसको ड्राइव कर सकते हो. एंड मिरान इज, मतलब बच्चे यहाँ पे इतना एंजॉय करेंगे. इट्स द बेस्ट प्लेस फॉर किड्स. दे विल एंजॉय फॉर श्योर. They, matlab, I don't see, look at him, he's so excited. I'll show you more things. Can you wear your slippers, Miran? Yes. So I'm going just to show you some more places here. Can you wear and come back? Can you wear and come back?
Yeah.
Please go.
No.
Please go.
No.
चीटी आ जाएगी. Go. Wear and come back. Go. यहाँ पे हमने ट्रैक्टर राइड ली थी. बेसिकली यहाँ से पूरा ऐसे फिर वहाँ तक.
Pizza.
And the freshness here you get, I don't know, I feel very good with these kind of stay, and I really hate so it is not like a hate thing. I really love staying at these different kind of places. I'm not that fond of hotels. So ये आपको डार्ट पूल और ये सारी चीज़ें आप यहाँ कर सकते हो. And carom board. That is our car. हम कार से ड्राइव करके आए क्योंकि बहुत ही पास था. And that up if you can see, coffee पीने के लिए, just to have little top view from there. You can sit there. It's a huge property, guys. It's a huge property, so you can walk like this. This is the also way to, you know, explore that area. Even you can walk to those areas as well. Miran, come back. Emma is going. Talking about the best things here is they provide you so many activities that you will not feel like to go out from this property itself. But हम लोग कल ट्रैक पे गए थे because we wanted to do that. And if you are not doing it at all, then also you have so much things to do here. Is the food. I mean, you order anything, you tell them anything, they'll get you that food. And non-veg is so delicious. अच्छा, non-veg की बात नहीं. For each and every part of like dessert, your breakfast, your lunch, everything is so delicious. The food, मतलब हमारा दिल तो इन्होंने खाने की वजह से ज़्यादा जीता है. And the hygiene they maintain, the cleanliness they maintain, it's too good. तो मेरे लिए तो ये बहुत ही एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था यहाँ पे ऐसे रहना. And this we booked it for 4 days. And I feel मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा enjoy कर रही हूँ. मेरे से ज़्यादा मिरान enjoy कर रहा है. That is the best part about this place. And what else? So I'll show you हम क्या खाते हैं breakfast में, what all come. मतलब variety बहुत ज़्यादा है. You have a full course meal. They'll stand there and they'll get you a lot of food. And पूरा time servicing, मतलब self service नहीं है, आपको वो देंगे, खड़े रहेंगे. It's just like a restaurant kind of thing which they do. And I'll show you. It's 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock we get our breakfast. I'll show you. Back in the room, and this is the last day here. Last night here, sorry. We are checking out tomorrow, and this was amazing birthday decoration I could have ever asked for. And Miran is super happy from the property, and I felt that this is the first time he has enjoyed of vacation so much. Like, we both were super happy seeing him going around and enjoying himself this week. Yes, did you enjoy? Did you enjoy? Huh. So he enjoyed each and every bit of it. And even first time he said happy birthday, Emma. So thank you, darling. Yesterday was her birthday, and first time he realized that it's his mom's birthday, which mom's birthday. Okay. So just had a long nap and we had chicken biryani in the lunch, which was too good. Miran. Okay. Shut up. I guess I have to take a break. No, he's okay. So today's update is that we thought we'll do something, but Rishabh was on off today, but something happened in his office and he just had to work. And do we have any option? Just look at him, working since 3 hours and not realizing at all that we both are pissed off. Yes, we both are pissed off and we want his time, but then he's not able to do that. So I just thought of making a video to talk to you guys and tell what ends were there, the amazing celebration and the decor and the way Miran has supported. Miran supports in everything, almost everything and everywhere. But then we realized that he has all grown up, and I am happy to say that now Miran doesn't seems like a baby to me. He is so independent. He makes friends himself. He just goes and say hi to strangers. So it's good that he's growing in such a manner, and we always wanted to have that kind of parenting for him. So yeah, this was the update. So we have done our lunch and now thinking where to go or what will we do. And Miran had gulab jamun. They make everything in their own kitchen. I was telling you, Miran is almost very excited at this property. Just look at him running away. He's too far. If you guys just, I'll zoom out. He's too far from my place, my stay, like my room. Sorry. So then you need not to worry at all, because I know this is the safest place for him. So today morning, today after lunch we went for cycling. They provide you cycles as well. So it's just lying down because Miran has done this. I know for a fact. And then he is just playing around. I believe I don't know, because of some weather here, it's a little cold. I'm getting cough and all. But in spite of me coughing, I want to drink or have cold coffees in the evening. I've just ordered them. And just look at him now. So you have this tiny area wherein they have basketball thing. They have some games there. If you can see, badminton if you want to play. We had the session yesterday wherein Rishabh won, all obviously. This was the birthday setup which you must have seen last time. I have showed you this was decorated. Now they have taken out everything. So this was the place And from there, Rishabh made me walk, was surprising me. And yes, just look at Miran. Simply enjoying his life and getting wet every damn time. I have changed his clothes, I guess, 4 times since the morning. Every day I'm doing that. Every day I need at least 4 to 5 sets for him because he keeps on playing with water and does this. And obviously I cannot keep in wet clothes. Miran, what are you doing? Is it so heavy? This is dangerous as well.
It's a ball.
Where is the ball?
Yeah.
Show me the ball.
How?
Come on, come.
Let's go.
Let's go. So he wants to show me some ball. Perfect place for kids, I believe.
ये balls. My balls.
I've taken a lot of videos and photos here, and I love to record everything, and I am someone who wants everything to be captured, everything to be in memories. I just love it. I don't know, like somehow I feel that 1 TB is also not okay with me. It's too less for me some. But then, ball. Come on. I'll give you balls. We'll play. So this is the, come, take.
Yeah.
Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yay! He has kept all these balls in my room as well. I don't know if he gets hurt. So yeah, I was talking about it. I forgot one. I just missed one thing. Like when we came here, they gave us a welcome drink, coconut water. So these coconuts are here only in their farm. So all your trees, they have coconuts. If you can see, I'll just zoom in. So these are the coconuts I'm talking about. So they give you as welcome drink. And the clouds, you guys. Clouds. This seems to be so quiet and relieving. Only 2 balls? Okay, so I'll play with him for some time and then I'll be back. You wanna play? You wanna play? Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Ball. Today is the last day of our stay here, and I wanted to show you all the breakfast, how they serve it, and what all options you have. So I just thought of doing this, sitting on my lap. So they all will be here, and that is the thing how they serve. They bring from very far, not here. So they bring it from the property only, but it's very very far. So they don't walk. They just come from a bike and they serve it like this. And Rishabh is putting videos for Miran. This is Miran. And this is my tea, Miran's milk, and his coffee. He doesn't take tea at all. And this is the way they serve. And you can see dosa, idli, chutney, sabzi, and the vada. And guys, trust me when I say this, trust me, this is delicious. I mean, I would not be able to tell you because you can see, and I cannot explain how tasty it is. So I'll just do one thing. I'll ask Rishabh to give details on how is food here. So yes, Rishabh, what do you want to say about the food and servicing?
We've been eating the same food for 3 days and it's yummy. I say this very rarely, but it's actually very tasty.
Okay. So do we eat every day the same thing, or there is a difference?
So there are a couple of
There is
options.
difference in their menu, right?
Yeah, there's a couple of options. You can choose anything from that. And yeah, it's mostly South Indian, but I mean, it's really, really tasty.
Yes. So breakfast is South Indian. In lunch you get all the biryanis, dal, chawal, everything. And this is what time is it? So it's 10 o'clock, 10:30 we need to check out. So as of now it's 9:30, and they'll keep on standing here just to serve us. If you need anything and everything, they'll be here for till we finish our breakfast. So we'll finish our breakfast, then we'll talk to you. So since we are checking out, and I have already shown you each and everything here, because Rishabh has booked everything here and he knows from where he booked and all. So I would really like if he can share all the details with us. So this.
Okay,
Yes.
so this place is like two pots, like I think she already mentioned multiple times. There's a third pot that is opening up very soon. Maybe in a week or so that will open up. So you'll have three options then. But
How far
per
is it?
night, per night charges are like 7,500 ish. We booked it. We found out through Airbnb, and then yeah, and then we contacted the person. 3 days, I think bonfire is complimentary. Otherwise, you'll have to pay separate charges for bonfire. Then they have barbecue for veg and non-veg, which are separately charged. But then apart from that, all the four meals that you get, those are actually meals because you get a wide variety of stuff. And they're very in quick succession. So basically you tend to not have all the four. But yeah, mainly the breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and some snacks.
Hope everything is clear with commercial and pricing and everything. So yeah, I am checking out and had an amazing time at this place, and I really look forward for these kind of stays because I feel it's so different. It is out of that chaos and we both loved it. I hope to see you in next month, and till then, bye bye, love you, see you in my next video, bye bye.